Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cam Legend out here in nature. And in this video, I'm going to be speaking about the power of gracefulness, gratitude, okay? And I'm a wordsmith. If you've seen any of my videos, you see how I break down the word GR, okay? And this has everything to do with the physical reality. We have the green, we have the ground, aka gravity. And there's a difference between being humble and being grounded. When you're being grounded, you're honoring the lower. When you're humble, you think low of yourself and you give power to these authorities. So when we're talking about the lower, in groundedness, we're talking about our ancestors. We're talking about honoring how we got here, how we live, how we breathe through oxygen. We have nature, we have the air and things of this nature. So we have the ancestors, which is plants, trees, and we have our own ancestors also, how we came here through DNA and regeneration. So there's a difference between the ancestors, and our ancestors, but understanding there's still a connection because we all came from this divine source. Okay, so every day you should be honoring the ancestors, going out in nature, giving thanks to people, to yourself, and remember to check in with yourself firstly before you go out with the Jesus complex trying to help everyone else. Okay, so make sure you check in with yourself. And just a few minutes or up to an hour, 2 hours, depends. Today's a Sunday. I like to go a bit more elaborate with the giving thanks and that. But make sure you're giving thanks because it opens up your heart. And the chakra here is the heart chakra, and the heart chakra symbol is green. The color is green for the heart chakra. So make sure you open up your heart, because a lot of people can't get to this heart space because of their ego. They're scared to open up their heart because they're scared that, there could be physical, mental, or spiritual repercussions from opening the heart. And that is true. But when you work with the higher chakras and the higher energies, you're not fearful of that because you know that your heart is pure and that if any bad things do come your way, the universal laws will take care of that. And everything is a life lesson anyway. So this is it. Be vital by eating the right foods and the foods that are green, that are going to empower you and give you strength moving forward. Right now going back into a fast, moving into Virgo season, because Virgo is everything to do with the stomach. And I feel if I can sacrifice some eating habits, that it will be more rewarded in the universal physical plane, because I'm letting go of this energies that is concurrent with Virgo, which is the birth of life, Virgin Mary, Bethlehem, house of bread. You get me? So this is what I'm doing moving forward. If you want to get involved, let me know. Make sure that you're physically in check and live accordingly to your means and what you've been able to do, because some people go straight into fasting and they've never done it before. They get wheezy, lightheaded, things of this nature. So you have to be assured of yourself. Take baby steps when it comes into fasting. I've been fasting for maybe about 5-6 years. And obviously I came from an Islamic background, so I'm very familiar with fasting. But now I'm on my spiritual practice and I do things accordingly to myself. And I know how to work with the body and the energies, okay? So yeah, be grateful. Be grateful. Giving back is very powerful. You don't have to give back in physical currency. Sometimes it can just be by planting trees or planting, what's it called? Just normal plants. Just normal plants. Just own a plant and give it water, because you're showing the universe that you can take care of other things except for you. It's like owning a dog or owning a pet. You're showing that you can take care of other physical creations, okay? So this is it. When you own a plant and you take care of the plant and you see that it's not dying, it shows that you're mindful of other things except for yourself. And this is when we start talking about being selfless and not selfish. When you have the ability to take care of other stuff and the responsibility to take care of the universe. As you do this, you start bringing up merit points in the physical reality and in the spiritual reality, and then you become anointed, or you go up in these degrees of spirituality and you see what else the universe has for you. So yeah, I'm fired up. I'm just boom, 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 a bit all over the place. But you know how it goes. You know how it goes. I'm fired up. I'm fired up. Moving last day of Leo season. Then we're moving into Virgo. This year is gonna end mad. It's gonna end mad. You know. So this is it. Spiritually connect. Don't worry about these external forces. These vampires. These leeches that want to take your energy. Tune in with yourself. I spoke with a friend the other day. He was telling me about football and stuff, and like how footballer Christian Eriksen had a heart attack, and I had no idea because I didn't tune into the Euros. I just watched the highlights that were only showing like 2-minute games, and I watched the final obviously because England were playing. But I've been tapped out of the matrix, and it's funny that when I speak to people, it's showing how much I've removed myself from the matrix and got good with nature. I might as well be living with the shamans and that, because I've literally disconnected myself from the matrix, and it's no coincidence as I've disconnected myself from the matrix, my spiritual ascension is rising, my connection with the plants, with the other energies are rising, and my psychic abilities are rising, and things of this nature. So yeah, man, I just keep it moving. I've got more videos on the way. You know how it goes. Check it out. Shout me. IG, Cam Legend. Peace.